In this video, you'll learn how to purchase USDT on KuCoin, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. This process involves several steps, from navigating the platform to making your purchase, ensuring a smooth transaction experience. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the KuCoin website. You should see the home page displaying various cryptocurrency options and trading features. Ensure that you are on the official KuCoin site to avoid phishing attempts. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Buy Crypto, prominently displayed on the home page. This action will direct you to the section where you can purchase various cryptocurrencies, including USDT. You may experience a brief loading time as the page refreshes. Once the new page loads, you will see options for different payment methods, such as credit cards or bank transfers. The message indicating that you can buy instantly using these payment methods should be visible. This step is essential as it allows you to choose how you want to fund your purchase. After that, click on Trade Now to proceed with your transaction. A new interface will appear showing you the available cryptocurrency and trading options. This interface is where you will complete the purchase of USDT. You will now see a message indicating buy and sell crypto instantly. This confirms that you are in the right section to execute your purchase. Click on the Buy button to continue with the transaction. Next, select USD as your payment currency. This option is necessary since you're purchasing USDT with US dollars. The page will refresh to display a form where you can enter the amount you wish to buy. Type in the amount of USDT you want to purchase. Ensure that you have verified your available funds and that the amount you intend to buy does not exceed your balance. This is crucial to avoid transaction errors. Following that, click on the option labeled Crypto to specify which cryptocurrency you wish to buy. A search bar will appear, allowing you to find USDT easily. Enter a search field and wait for the results. Once the search results load, click on USD to select it for your purchase. This action will set USDT as the cryptocurrency you are buying. You should now see the details of your transaction. Next, click on Pay With to choose your preferred payment method. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select from various options. Make sure to choose a method that is convenient for you. Select Google Pay as your payment method. This choice will initiate the payment process through your Google Pay account. Ensure your Google Pay account is set up and ready for transactions. Proceed by clicking on Buy USD to confirm your purchase. A confirmation screen will appear displaying the details of your transaction, including the amount and any applicable fees. After that, click on the section that states you're paying to review your payment details. This will allow you to double check everything before finalizing the purchase. Next, click on Discount if applicable to see any potential savings on your transaction. This step can help you save money during your purchase. Then click on Pay With again to confirm your payment method. This ensures that all payment details are accurate before proceeding. Click on USDT price to view the current price of USDT. This information is essential to understand how much you will be receiving for your payment. Next, click on Fee to review any transaction fees associated with your purchase. Being aware of these fees is crucial for understanding the total cost of your. Following that, click on You Receive Estimated to see an estimate of how much USDT you will receive after the transaction. This estimate is important for confirming the value of your purchase. You will see a message stating that by proceeding, you confirm that you have read and agree to the terms and conditions. This is a standard procedure to ensure that you acknowledge the rules of the transaction. Finally, click on Pay to complete your purchase. A confirmation screen should appear, indicating that the transaction is being processed. Depending on your internet speed and the platform's response time, this may take a moment. If you wish to purchase USDT on KuCoin yourself, I've placed a link in the description and pinned comment below for your convenience. Please ensure that your account is verified and funded before making any purchases. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.